Hi guys, welcome to Just Be Creative. I'm your host, Joshua, and today we're going to be doing a little discussion video. Today we're going to be doing a little drawing of a discussion hall. What it looks like. What would it look like to me anyway? So let me activate the timer, and again the timer is 10 minutes. So let me activate it, and we're off. So what is the person discussing about? Well, let's say he's going to discuss about nature. He's going to discuss about nature and talk about ways you can help nature, And the other guys go, oh, how's this going to work, How's it going to work with... Because, not everybody believes in nature, they say, and not everybody cares about nature. And this person goes, well, you should. Because without it, we won't be able to survive. He tells people, showing them statistics, facts, video testimonials of what's been going on lately with nature, and explains to them, we can make a lot of money with nature too. We don't have to destroy it, we can just use it to make money. And the business guy goes, okay, how? How can you use nature to make money? Well, this person goes, you can use it to invest in certain areas. The other guy goes, well, why? Well, how? How can I use it to invest in certain areas? Well, you can invest in recycling. You can do like a recycling facility. You can build, which would be cheaper if you use, a cheap material, and you can make stronger material using recycled material. And it shows them the facts that, recycling helps nature, and not only helps, but it also helps businesses, because it'll help the business grow, and it'll help with certain areas, because, you're looking at certain facts, and you're thinking, this guy's crazy, but, it's alright in a way. Sorry. So, let me go on to further explain about this hall. So let's say it's got the stage. And let's say the screens are like this way, or, let me move it a bit, okay? Let's say one side of the screen was like this way, okay? Or we'll do it this way. So let's say one side of the screen, he's showing the facts. A bar graph of how you can make money using nature. And the business guy sells, this is the result of company not using nature, and it's a percentage. Let's say just for fun, 10%. I put 1, then I put 0. Then he shows another percentage, and this shows a bigger percentage of 20%. And so the guy presents his ideas, and he shows facts of certain areas where you can improve. You can make an air filtration system out of a tree. So let me draw that guy's face so you know what it looks like. Let me just get some details done so I can make it more presentable. There we go. And we're done, guys. So let me know what you think of this video, and I'll see you guys next time. There we go. And set this down a little. There we go. So let me know what you think of this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. See you guys next time.